Kanega du dashin Meghalaya ban ngi pediang so bhai phi baro shaka thup khubor man taka jan miet shwaban phash ki khubor ki babdia ngi nya pet shwai ki mat bakong san on thau ka kin hon ki mintri ka sarkar Meghalaya ya scheme hapo ka MRSSA ban penla ya ka district task force ban yo pisa na ka sarkar Penlong jingya kren ka kin hon mintri ka sarkar jilla ban sedang pentrekam ya ka PA Sangma International Medical College and Hospital ha USTM Meghalaya. Kintat UMP katura usaleng Sangma halor kijing kentho. Waka Congress kanamla ban leb ha ka election shiteng samoy ha gambe gre ong ba karai ka bakhaddu ka shong ha upat ba. Benmi ketengat jengok kai perthai ka Meghalaya ya ka app ban pensuk ikinong jengok kai perthai da ka bakila ban wat ikijing tip syapang kinong nya kali kamai ban yo jing kershan ka Megha top cement na kinong yalam kathan ha ka public hearing bat sha khanglat kisen bhalang ban yashim menta ha ka public hearing ki khubor ki babnya ka kin hon ki mintri ka sarkar jilla ka blai kan do hanin ka sngi kala rai ban thaw ka scheme hapo ka Meghalaya Residents Safety and Security Act MRSSA ban penla ya ki district task force ban yo ya ka pisa na ka sarkar jilla ban pen biang ya ki jingdon kam jongki ka mintri ka sarkar jilla ikong amprin lingdo ilaong bada kani ka scheme ki district task force kin yo ya jing penbiang mang tingka ka bamduna ya ka arlak tingka khnang ba jing bot din ya ketika an on yo sedang kham kloy ya kani ka pisa on pendon kam ban thiet ya ki laptop ki computer bat ki tiar internet ken thop ya ka bai shong bai sa bat ka bai let bai wan na ka benta ki ba wan yarap ki bom de ki nong trey jong ki district
A scheme had to be instituted by the government, wherein we will make the entire MRSSA procedure functional. So this scheme entails the provision under finance for DCs to avail budgetary allocations so that work and monitoring of the MRSSA begins at the earliest. So that was done, and it was decided that we will have a revolving fund of a minimum of 2 lakhs per district. In districts where there would be a requirement for a bigger budget because of bigger numbers of authorities like the darbars and others who are anyways entailed to help with the monitoring of visitors.
Hagaju ka por ka kinhon mentri ka sarkar jilla ka laya krenru halor ka jing sedang pentrekam ya ka PA Sangma International Medical College and Hospital ka badon ha USTM Meghalaya. Kanong ay kitien ka sarkar bat ka mentri ka kot ka kya ikong amprin ligdo ilaong baka sarkar kan haban thaw ya ka an ban penla ya ka ni ka school ba ban sedang ya ka jing trekam jong ka ni ka medical college bat ka hospital ilaong baka sarkar ka don ka bor ban bud din ya ki benta ba pher kum ka jing benta ya ki seat ka bai class ki course bat ki way ila benrap baka kinhon mentri kan saya kendo biang hakatayo banwan shen hadien baka tenat ka kot ka khia kala IT ya ka jing ai jing mut ki jongka
bars and others who are anyways entailed to help with the monitoring of visitors. So that is the first item that was taken up. The second item was the USTM. Cabinet was pleased to decide that we will not be able to allow the USTM to function without a proper act in place because we are mandated as a state government to monitor allocations of seats, fees of courses, and we have therefore decided that Cabinet will again sit after the Health Department brings forward its plan for the act. And on Wednesday, we are scheduled to meet again with the Honorable Chief Minister and the Cabinet, where we will again brief you for more information on this matter.
U MP Katura u saleng sangma ula kentat halor ka jing kentho baka seng Congress kanamla ban lebha ha ka election shiteng samoy ha gambegre ka basakhi ya ka jing yakun ha ki babun kiliang ula ong bakam long ka badai hok ban shumuddur baka jing le kan long tang ha padeng artri ki seng namar ka rai ka shong ha ki pat ba om ha ki seng haba pentep ba ukertong ka parti u jengjang marak unsa thep kerteng shen u sangma ulaong bakum kini ki jing kentho bat ki jing khen lepa bun sien laju thau de ki seng san perthai hakapor election ka jing thep vote shaka yeng dorbar thau an jong ka gambe gre kan salong haka khatlai trik unai wing bat ka jing nyau vote kan long haka arphulai trik unai wing.
Election will be held on November 13th and then no, the election is not between any parties. Election is about trusting the candidature who will be serving the people of that particular constituency and the state as a whole. It's not about any party because there is no such stamp on any individual that he is NCP, he is NPP, he is Congress or in TMC. So it's wrong to say on the part of any party to say that it's a fight between the NPP, Congress or TMC like that. It's the people who will vote ultimately.
Katanat ki kam jengok kai perthai ke Sarkar Meghalaya mataka sngi kan sapelat patba ya ka app ha ka ba kinong jengok kai perthai ki bawan sya kani gejela kila ban wat ki jing tip baro syapang unong nya kali kamai uban yalam yaki syaki jaka jengok kai perthai baper habia kren bat kilat pathai khubor u director jong katanat jengok kai perthai uba CVD dengdo ulaong bagade ka sen jam kan kintiu ya ka jingshem jong kinong jengok kai bat kan penbiang yaki kalat ka basuk ban wat ya unong nya kali kamai kani ka app kan penbiang ya baro ki jing donkam na ka benta kinong jengok kai perthai ki bawan jengok ya ka jela Meghalaya ka bayarap ya ki banyo jingtip ki bakham bania ha ka bayadei bat ki jing shakri ha ka than ha ka jo ka por ulaong ba ka jing ya kren bat ka seng jong kinong nya kali kamai ha ka bayadei bat ki jing jong ki kadang yat bat ka komiti ka ba uyalam kadang persangkat bala ban penbiang ya kilat kilenti ki bala ban pediang.
The government come up with an app where the details of these tourist taxi associations, the recognized ones, including the details of all the drivers who are members of these associations, including their routes that they take, can be listed on this app so that tourists who come to the state of Meghalaya can go to a Meghalaya tourism government app and get all these details, and that will help our taxi drivers to, to publicize their services and also enhance their capacity so that better services are given to tourists who visit the state of Meghalaya.
Ka United Democratic Party nan ka sngi ka lapan long ya ka jingalang jong ka Central Executive Committee banya kren halor ka jing penkre jong ka party na ka benta ka election MDC haba kren chikilat pathai khubor u working president jong ka UDP but u MDC ba minta na sora constituency u ba Titus Khan ula pentip babon ki constituency ki ladep jet ki kertong jong ki ula benrap ba ka seng ka penkre na ka benta ka election MDC ka UDP ka dan prangwat ki MDC ki badai ki ka KHASI.
So today we had the Central Executive Committee. This is a continuation. But ketika sini ngayo akan ukuran ibu di tempat. Bagaimana kaba konsani kedai create ke election DC. Kaba kumka parti di pan di report di district di papel bahkan setengah kalau baru di district kita apa hasil buat ada deals kaji konkret kalau kumba 60% tibabun di konsumsi ada kan jet di kandidat buat harga juga baru ke sitting MDC dan kumba rambut buat kunjung dengan apa deals
Ka public hearing balapan long da ka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board hinin kasngi kabiyaday bat kajing shna ya ka karkhana shna daubilat batamai da ka Meghatop Cement Private Limited Hawaii Narpo East Jainta Hills District kelakut no da ka basuk basan hak atay ka jaka balapan long ya kajing yalang. Henry kani ka hearing kalapan sa jing kanmau namar kajing bom don jong kisur ki bapersya ha ka baro ki pajba ki badon ha kani ka jaka ki penpau kajing kersan ting ya ka Meghatop Cement ha ka joka por ki seng bhalang ki lasya khanglat bat sya pensange bandrung sya ki jaka badon ka public hearing da ki nong shong shnong ka YAJR Narpo kumbashi kilometer na ka jaka balapan long ka public hearing.
Biar jimut lang wiki pajba kiwa man is
Resources Private Limited maka
Orang pito entre yang kata company hita ulaya orang iki ke condition yang kata if they are ready
Seruwi, empat bukan seruwi. Kita dah meniki wakrak jadi dah beli dah. Sangat.
test orang wami madidam kan ni ka dem MD.
Hamal lagi hearing ni penpau yang kecil persya. Nama lagi suatu bakal we jom kerja menriu kamtam sekali tanya. Ni hakwe kesini insah kecil dom. Berkai kebanjia kepeteng kejongi. Dah dangnya kepeteng kumni kini semen plan kiwan banseng kita kan karkana jongki hakni ka tanya kejongi. Tapi kuma PUI bagi suhi nak por ni persya lalu lagi semen plan kita thamai lalu lagi limestone mining kita terter ni persya baik martis tu kita kemarin.
Menteri Rangba ke Jilla Meghalaya Conrad K Sangma hinin kesngi ulaong baka sorkar kan sa thaw yikilat kilinti ban wanra ya ka jingpen sngau thu halor ka juk Meghalayan H. Menteri Rangba ulapen bana ya kane ha ka program ya phaliu jingmut bat kinong yo mentoy naga scheme CM Elevate and Focus ya ka balapen long ha shilong bala shimentaru da ki district bat ki block bapher na keleng ka Jilla. Katkum Menteri Rangba ya ka Meghalayan H laya phaliu jingmut ha keleng ka perthai da ki real start geologist bat kan longru ka badai ki briu ban tip shapang jongka. Ha ka ka program la samru ki check shakinong yo mentoy naga scheme Focus bat naga scheme CM Elevate.
Our Honorable Minister for Agriculture and Health.
PG
3.57 lakhs, 900.
We have big dreams, we have big goals. And yes, a lot of people look at us and say, this guy is crazy. And we say, no, we may not be that crazy, but we are very ambitious because we want to make sure that we are able to move forward and make our state, as I said, one of the better states. We have seen a lot of challenges in the last many months, many years and decades. And Meghalaya has suffered a lot for multiple reasons. I'm not here to analyze those. But right now, the momentum that we have been able to create in the last 6 years to 7 years is the kind of momentum we require now to move the state further.
Ban bu bet bu renti ya ka jingkit jingba ya kinong jengok kai na Meghalaya bat Assam ka All KHASI Hills Tourist Taxi Association AKMTTA klakintu ya ka sorkar jilla ban pentrekam ya ka Reciprocal Transport Agreement lani RTA ya ka jing terwa lawan ra ka jing yalang bala penlong dangshen da ka tenat jengok kai. Uba Balaji Jirwa, Secretary ka AKMTTA, ulapen pau baka association ka kwa ban penrung. Ya ka Meghalaya hapo kikindon trekam jong ka RTA, ringkat ka Assam, kenang ban pentikna ya ka jing yai bet yai renti, ha ka jingkit ya kinong jengok kai hapadeng kini ki Jilla.
Saya had a lot untuk reciprocal process bagi pihak government mah. Kini reciprocal process kalau ba labun dan nyipet ya Jharkhand ke Orissa ke Delhi Haryana jelasain pada reciprocal process apa yang jengki. But kumno kini kota kali niat nak away ke stage ke state. Di kini reciprocal process nila pihak saka nila ai ke jenggut menes ko sarkar ban nila penihi ba kumno ban pentrikam ke sarkar kalau hi nak kalian jeng department tu jengi director ila kloi hi ban sim ni kata karai jumi bat ka jingai jingmut jumi ti ila pha ini ru ban pha in tak soft copy jumi di KZEA kenang in yo man le ya kata study na kaliang jung department juki wa
Kasengken Thai Catholic Nongpo Parish kalapan long ya kajing ya kendu lang ba arsngi ha kabalang Catholic hanartap da ka ba phai khmat halor kajing penkop bor ya kilong keme bano sin yang shakaroi ka par jong ka balang bat ka bha ka miat jong ka emlang sa lang bat ka snong ka thau kani kajing ya lang ka blas dang menta ka sngi la ple da uba Rocky Marwen haringkat u parish priest ka Nongpo u Dr. Peter Siemle Hakajing kren jong uba marwen ula banjur bakani kajing lang kalong ka rinsan ka bakongsan na kabenta ban sam ya kajing tip bat ki but penroy ban pen klan ya ka balang bat ban pen bha ya kajing em bakinja mensim kat badang tray na kabenta kajing bha jong ka em lang sa lang
Ang yaki how play go play menta ka step ngawan
rang ba balang jong kani kasnong bat iwi biwi ilong kami ki balayawan banisim benta
Kumshi benta jong ka Fit India Movement ka office jong ka District Sports Officer hakajing trail bat ka District Administration Ribhoy District kalapan long ya kajing mare Swachhata Freedom Run basan kilometers meta ka sngi ya kani kajing pen mare lasdang na pung yam balapen kot pat ha Meghalaya State Fisheries Research and Training Institute ha maupun kshad UMLA ka Roy uba daman baj lamare ula pade play ya kani kajing mare marathon ka ba angnot ban kintiaw ya kajing kot jingkhia bat kajing pen klan ya ka met ka phat ha kari kani kajing mare kala kring ya ki babon kinang shimbenta na ka district ka St. Dominic High Secondary School bat ka Thomas Jones High Secondary School kilalong kinong job ha kaliang ki shenrang bat kentay ha ka Open Inter-School bat College Basketball Tournament balapan long da ka Office District Sports Officer ha Jowai kajingile kai final kilalong ha ka sngi tho ding ha kiang nang ba stadium ka St. Dominic Women's Team kalapan rem no ya ka Tome Memorial High Secondary School da arpun riu lakhat nyo kat ba ka Thomas Jones High Secondary School Men's Team kalapan rem no ya ka Tome Memorial High School da San Pusao la Sao Po ya ki khusnam la sam da ipin penbej bha pasa District Informatics Officer bat ibalong ru inong yele kai basketball barim ka jilla Mentapat nginya pet ya ka jinglong jingman kasun meneng ha shilong. Ka jing shit kalong 4 degree Celsius, bar ka jing kriat kalong 4 degree Celsius. Ka jing sngam ka haw kalong prapusan na ka shispa min step, bat nyaw pupra na ka shispa jan meet. Kalaban don ka jing hap slap ka bamulu mala hakikat to ka neki jaka. Shwaban poy siya ka bakot jang ka thup kubor nginya pet biang sa shisien ye kimat bakong san. On thao ka kinhuon ki Mintri ka Sarkar Meghalaya ka scheme hapo ka MRSSA ban penla ka District Task Force ban yo pisan na ka Sarkar Penlong jia kren ka kinhuon Mintri ka Sarkar Jilla ban sedang pentrekam ya ka PA Sangma International Medical College and Hospital ha USTM Meghalaya Kentaj UMP Katura usaleng sangma halor ke jingken tho baka Congress kanamla ban lebha ha ka election chideng samoy ha gam bigre ong baka rai ka bakhat du ka shong ha upaj ba Penmi ka tanat jungok kai perthei ka Meghalaya ya ka app ban pensuk ikinong jungok kai perthei da ka bakila ban wat iki jingtip syapang kinong nya kali kamai Bayo jing kershan ka Meghatop Simen na kinongyalam kathan ha ka public hearing bacha khanglat ki seng bhalang banyashim banta ha ka ni ka public hearing Te parlok atong ila poy sya ka bakot jong ka thup khubor jingi menta ka janmiet hado bene syembyang bat pi la shay ka sngi khublai pi baro
Understanding global political dynamics and